Aperture refers to the opening in a camera lens that allows light to pass through and reach the camera's sensor or film. The size of the aperture can be adjusted to control the amount of light that enters the camera. A larger aperture, a lower f-stop number, allows more light to pass through, while a smaller aperture, a higher f-stop number, allows less light to pass through. The aperture also affects the depth of field in an image, with a larger aperture resulting in a shallower depth of field, a blurrier background, and a smaller aperture resulting in a deeper depth of field, a sharper background. Aperture affects the depth of field in an image. A large aperture, such as 1.4, will result in a shallow depth of field, meaning that only a small portion of the image will be in focus, while the background will be blurry. This can be useful for portraits, where you want to draw attention to the subject and make the background less distracting. A small aperture, such as 16, will result in a deep depth of field, meaning that most or all of the image will be in focus. This can be useful for landscapes or other scenes where you want everything to be sharp. Aperture also affects how much light enters the camera, which can be used to control the brightness of the image. A large aperture will let in more light, making the image brighter, while a small aperture will let in less light, making the image darker.